Messiah. Welcome to my YouTube channel, PTG on the mic. Today I will be learning the solo bass of Makazvinzwepoko. Okay, so this solo bass has I think 9 different parts. So to make it easier for all our beginners out there, we're gonna be very slow on this one, very gentle. Okay. So firstly, what Manchester did on the first line, he was using mostly thirds. If you remember, we previously talked about thirds. Way back, I did a lesson on that. But I think I'm gonna do another one. So thirds. What are thirds? Like we know, it's easy. Like 1, 2, 3 thirds, right? So let's say our root note is C. So what will be the third note? We'll count from C, D, E. So which means C and E go together on this root note. If it's the root note is D, then we just count from D, E, F. Then the root note will be D, and then the third note interval will be the F. So on this one, I'm gonna stop talking about the keys. Now we will be talking about numbers. So let's go on fret number 21. On string number 2 of our bass. This is fret number 21. This is the root note of the first part, the first note that it plays, or the first chord that it plays. So C, D, E. E will be make it the third. So C and E. So this is C on 21 fret, and then on 20 fret, string number 1. Is our third of C. So this is C third. So string number 2, 21. String number 1, 22. Second string number, okay, so first one is 22, 21. Here will be 21, 19. The next one will be 19 and 17. Then 17 and 16, and then 16 and 14, then back to 17 and 16. So it's again slowly. Again, sorry for the noise, the buzzing noise of my amp. So let's go again. So to finish up this first part, on string number 4, we're gonna play on fret 15 on string number 4, and then also on string number 3, fret 15 also. So let's mix all our parts. So in the next video, we're going to be going on this part. I'll give you the numbers. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe, because now videos are going to be coming. If you are interested in learning Sungura Bass, this is the right channel for you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Magomoyo, Kwamjare, Patson Guamura, Famba Waya, yes.